Hi guys, welcome back to Yorkshire Car Restorations. We get asked quite a lot how we do those little tips and tricks that make your car look a little bit cleaner, a little bit different, and go a little bit faster. Well, in this series of short videos, we're going to show you just that. And in this one, we're going to show you how to clean up those standard rear light clusters. So let's grab some tools and let's crack on. So all you need for this little project is a 10mm socket and a ratchet spanner, some buffing compound, in this case we use Ferroclay G3, and various grades of sandpaper. Now if you want to take a little bit of the hard work out of it, you can use an electric buffer and a dual action sander, but they're not required. So once you get the backlight fixings out of these, there's only 4 10mm bolts that hold these Mark 1 rear light clusters in place. So let's take them out. So the bolts are located, one there, one just at the edge under this panel, and one there. Once we take them out, the lights will just lift out. Make sure you preserve this gasket. This we're going to reuse. So pop that off gently. You can replace them if needed, and pop that somewhere safe. So typically people use this for shows, show and shine, things like that. But these are a little bit opaque sometimes, a little bit cloudy, and because it's for show cars, all these E-marks, these numbers, we don't really need them. You can just see them here. There, some down here. And so what we're going to do is we're going to take them back first. We're going to start up with 320 and a rubbing block. You can use a little piece of wood, anything. And we're going to progress to 500, and then we're going to buff them. As we can see, 500, you don't have to use these rubbing blocks, you can just use a little block of wood. Pop that in there, and all we're going to do is we're going to take off all these edges. We're going to take all these nice and clean. I'm going to take this lettering off, just about everything. What we're trying to do here is we've got this is raised up, this is lowered down, and this is raised up again. So I've got some nasty edges. All we're going to try and do is take them back a little bit, make it a little bit smoother. As you can see, it can all be done by hand. The lettering is now gone. We've still got a little bit here. Up here's gone. Now you can continue by hand, but what we're going to do is we're going to get the dual action sander on it, just to speed things up. Right, we can tell when we've gone far enough. You see this is dull, this is dull, so is this, but you can see a shiny edge there. That's because it's still recessed. Now if we keep going and get that edge just a little bit closer, it should be nice and smooth, and carry on taking this lettering out. I think you have to agree, they look much cleaner and much brighter than the old tired lights they were. Let's pop them back in the car.